In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your WooCommerce database. If you're using WooCommerce for your online store, keeping your database up to date is essential for maintaining performance, security, and compatibility with the latest plugins and features. It's a simple process, but one that ensures your store operates smoothly and efficiently. First, let's navigate to the right area in your WordPress dashboard. So, log into your WordPress account and you'll land on the dashboard, a hub of activity where you can manage your site. From here, you'll want to locate the WooCommerce tab, which is typically on the left-hand side of your screen. This tab holds various options for configuring your WooCommerce store. Once you've found WooCommerce, you'll want to hover over or click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Status. Consider Status as your WooCommerce health report, providing you a snapshot of your store's current condition. Now that you're on the status page, you're likely seeing a lot of data and information about your store. Fear not, as what we're looking for specifically is the Tools tab, located conveniently near the top part of the page. Clicking on Tools will present you with a set of tools and functions that aid in managing and maintaining your WooCommerce setup, each tool serving a particular purpose. Here you can clear transients, reset capabilities, or even view logs. But our main focus today is updating the WooCommerce database. Locate the section dedicated to database updates. This section may mention something like Update Database, or a similar phrase along those lines. Updating the database is crucial because WooCommerce often makes improvements or necessary changes that require the database to be up to speed. All you need to do is click the button or link specified for updating the database. This action sends a request for WooCommerce to perform necessary version checks and changes. After clicking the update, you may need a bit of patience, especially if you have a large number of products, orders, or customers. The process might take a few moments to ensure everything is smoothly synchronized. Once the update is complete, you should see a confirmation message, a signal that your customer data, product information, and settings are now refreshed with the latest alterations. To wrap it up, verifying that everything is running correctly post-update can provide peace of mind. Double-check by browsing some sections of your store, perhaps the product pages or the order management area. Ensure there are no hiccups or unexpected changes. And there you have it, a quick, effective walkthrough of updating your WooCommerce database. By doing so, you contribute to a seamless buyer experience and robust back-end performance. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your site up to date and running like a well-oiled machine.